Hi guys, today we're going to be doing fidget spinner and fidget cube unboxing. So this name of the video is fidget toys unboxing. So let's go. First we have the fidget cube. The tape here. So we're going to take off the tape. So I'm going to go get a scissor. Or not. Alright. So we have it. So here it is. What the heck? There. So here we have. I put C on it, so me, my brothers didn't get mixed up. Sorry, I'm sick. Alright, anyways. So we have these. It's pretty cool. Yes. Here's the scissor. I'm gonna need the scissor for the fidget spinners to open them. So I'm just gonna get my scissor. A really big scissor. I don't know why I have such a big one. A big scissor. Yeah, so we have this, so this company's called Fidgety, I think. Yes. It was $20 I bought this for. At a toy store called Shazam in Princeton, New Jersey. Now we have one. It's the Extreme Fidget Spinner. Somebody at the store ripped it, and it was the last one of these, so I want to see how it's ripped. With the box ripped already, but because I had one of these and I just bought another one for some reason. What the hell? Oh God, package this tight. There we go. Open this. Wow, it works fine. I think so. I think somebody returned this. See that? I think somebody returned it. But man, it still works perfectly. This is just really sweet. Yeah, so you have this one. It's glow in the dark too. See. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, probably not. But yeah, it's glow in the dark. Now we have this one. See, somebody taped it. I don't know why somebody did this at the store. Maybe it was ripped and the store did it. I don't know. But now I'm opening it. I don't think something really taped. Oh, it's really tight. There we go. You kidding me? Oh, sorry guys. I dropped my camera. Alright, there we go. Take it out. Sweet. we have the 2 circles, so things, whatever they call it. Is this one where you could push it out? Let me see. Well, this is pretty good. Well, this one I ordered off Amazon, but this one had tape too, so that's weird. But I ordered this one off Amazon, and then the other one, which is, where is it? And this one I bought at a store. Yeah. So, they're pretty cool. So yeah. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and our next video is going to be this fidget spinner versus this fidget spinner. That's our next video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos. And like. Bye.